Isn't that fascinating? It seems like there's always this one major key event that turns everything around, where we move from a bull market to a bear market. We've seen this in the past, we're now seeing it again. Let's have a look at where the cycle is going, because in the end, it's more about timing the overall market than about finding the right individual asset, because most altcoins are pretty much correlated to one another. When Bitcoin is going up, most altcoins go up as well. When Bitcoin is crashing, your altcoin portfolio is crashing as well. So it's all about the macro. So let's have a closer look at that. If you already had some money in crypto in the year of 2020 and 2021, then you probably remember this point in time over here. That's when everybody got extremely bullish about crypto because something happened. Elon Musk brought Bitcoin on the Tesla balance sheet. A lot of people anticipated that other companies will follow. That's not what happened. Instead, we got a secondary rally because Michael Saylor promoted Bitcoin. So a few small companies bought Bitcoin, but not the big global tech companies. It seems like now something very similar is happening. Again, we've got a major event that occurred in January of this year. Donald Trump launched his meme coin, and unfortunately, the vast majority of people that bought the official Trump meme, they lost. Only the few people that are very close to crypto that bought in the first hours, they made money. Hopefully you were one among those people, because I published a video on the Trump token when it was still at $13. If you're not early to those kind of rallies, feel free to subscribe over here. I try to publish videos very, very quickly. But yeah, 61,000 people watched that video, and that's when there were still gains to be made with Trump. But the vast majority of people, of course, lost. And so that's then when the momentum for crypto turned around. At least that's one story. But there's also another story. There's a closer and closer connection between traditional finance and Wall Street and crypto, right? We've got now the direct bridge with the Bitcoin ETF. And so Bitcoin now trends more and more in tandem with traditional risk on assets. When tech stocks go up, then Bitcoin tends to go up as well. When regular stocks crash, then Bitcoin crashes also with it. So whenever there's risk on time, Bitcoin expands in value. Whenever people get spooked, then Bitcoin tends to contract. And here's what I exactly mean. What we see over here is the gold price relative to the Nasdaq 100. So how much are people now risk off? How much are people rather buying gold over technology stock? This chart is roughly half a year in length, and gold outperformed tech stocks by 25% since Christmas. To get the full length video, feel free to simply subscribe over here. Then you get it recommended by the algorithm.